Hey, Tami Goodwin here. I just want to talk to my buyers. I heard a guy who I know really well, Jim Petrell, and he was on the news in San Diego. And he was talking about the housing market. And there were some quotes that he made that were amazing. So I had to come on and give those quotes to you guys. One big thing he said, and I've been saying it in a different way, but I love the way he said it. He said, you are married to the house and you date the interest rate. Now, I know you're thinking, what does that mean? Well, this is what it means. When you're married to the house, that means that once you buy the house, you're committed. You're committed to making that payment. You're committed to doing what you need to do for that house. You're committed to that house. But the interest rate, you're only dating the interest rate. You can date the interest rate. If you don't like it and it gets better, you can quit the old interest rate and get the new interest rate. That's what it means. And in today's market, what you want to do is you want to date that interest rate. Because the interest rate right now, it's a little on the top end. I'm not going to say it's high. It's really kind of in the middle is where it is. But I'm sure it will go down. Then another thing he said, which I loved what he said, I'm going to tell you guys what he said, which I try to tell people all the time, because they asked him, they said, is this a good time to buy? And he said, what I always say, it's always a good time to buy. Always. I've never seen the market where it wasn't a good time to buy. Because you don't wait to buy a house. You buy a house and then you wait. That's the difference. Because once you buy the house, you just wait. Because it's going to happen. The market will go on the upswing. And as long as you get somebody renting that house, paying that mortgage that you have on it every month, what do you care? They're paying the mortgage. Doesn't matter. Just let that mortgage get paid. What goes down goes back up. So that's what you have to remember. So remember, you want to marry the house and date the interest rate. You want to buy the house and wait, not wait to buy the house. Man, these are some big nuggets. These are some big nuggets. And let me tell you, I have some programs. I have a couple of zero down programs, which means no down payment, no PMI, and some of them are given closing costs. I also have programs where we're buying the interest rate down. We're buying it down 2%. So if the interest rate is 6 point something, it's going to be 4 point something. So if you want to get in, if you are paying rent and your rent is $2,000 or more, you should have called me yesterday. So just pick up the phone and call me today, 678-754-3239. Let me help you use your money wisely. Remember, marry that mortgage, date that interest rate, hold that house, don't wait to buy it. Have a great one.